Well, good morning. I am in Johnson's Crossing, and I'm about ready to leave and head for Watson Lake. Spend a night here at the Johnson Crossing Lodge. Yesterday, I didn't leave a little diary last night because I was just really wiped out. The Canole Road was a fantastic road in terms of scenery. Gorgeous scenery, reds and yellows and oranges and greens, very pretty. The road itself was, without a doubt, the worst road I've ever been on. Massive rocks, size of softballs, serious washboarding, potholes you could not miss, and I don't know if Yukon's got the most potholes, but they got the deepest, I'll give them that. I'm really surprised the bike didn't break. It just really took it out of the bike and me yesterday. I was on the Canole Road for almost 5 hours, and most of that time I'm doing about 30 miles an hour. Very, very rough road. To be honest, I don't recommend it. It's unless you got a rental bike. I wouldn't take my own bike there. Beyond that, it was very cold when I started out yesterday. It was 33 degrees, and it warmed up substantially, but a little cool in the morning. Right now, and this says it's 37 degrees, so another cool morning. But it looks like I got broken clouds up above, and good night's rest, and I'm ready to go. So we're just staying on I believe it's the Alcan today, the Alaska Highway, down to Watsonville, about 180 or 190 miles, some of that. Should be there early afternoon, and let's go see. So one of the first things I want to point out when I leave here is the bridge over the river here. Spectacular bridge. Let's see here. Let's be smart here. Turn on my gear, because it is pretty cold this morning. That'll keep me toasty warm. The Teslin River. No water shortage here. thermometer reads 31 degrees. Bike was a little hard to start this morning. It usually fires right up. This morning it cranked for quite a bit, so maybe it is pretty cold. Okay, don't even know how to begin explaining this, but this is the Sign Forest in Watson Lake. And, you know, you might think you want to walk around and take a look at them all, but it would take you a day and a half. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of them. This is only a small portion. I mean, these are 10 and 15 rows deep. Well, you get the idea.
Okay, again, more of the signpost forest. This goes on and on and on. There's got to be thousands and thousands of signs here. And it goes way deep, all the way to the road back there.